Majestic buddies!
You never know what we're gonna do next.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. I have some surprising news for you guys. We're gonna be doing a chocolate Swiss roll.
I love cakes! Let's go and get to
So before we mix everything together, we warmed a little bit of the milk so that the cocoa powder can mix evenly with the milk. The milk in. This milk.
Now you mix it! Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Thank you. That's gooey.
OMG, that is so weird.
Oh, smells weird.
I'll speed everything up.
You want to lick it?
No.
I don't want to lick it.
Ooh, it's turning a lot better. Better? Looks so cool. It's like a you could put it in Willy Wonka's chocolate factory river. So we heated up the cocoa powder and the milk again in the microwave for about 20 seconds. And then now we're gonna add the oil, the vegetable oil in. Now we're gonna put the flour in.
Now when do we put this in?
So we finished stirring all the ingredients that we just put in here, and we separated the egg yolk from the egg white, and now we're gonna put the egg yolk in here and make sure to do it in a zigzag form. Don't stir it around in a circle, stir it in a zigzag form. Okay.
Ugly?
Okay, now we're gonna put the melted chocolate in here. So now we are on the egg white right now, and make sure that your bowl has no water, no oil. Repeat after me. No water, no oil. No water and no oil. Remember that, because if there is any water, any oil in this thing, in the bowl, then your egg white won't be as fluffy and firm. drops and 40 grams of sugar. These two will both help the egg white fluff up and firm. So we already put the 15 drops of vinegar in the egg white, and the first time we put 1/3 of the sugar in here. And first time is medium speed. Okay, now the second time, we have a little bit more sugar and low speed. Now you have to be really fast with this. You put half of it over on this side, and then you would go up from bottom to top. This is very important to go up and down, so that the bubbles, all the bubbles are here. And now after this is in pretty good, we put all of it on this side. So now you're going to get all the bubbles out using this technique from going bottom to top. It's very important. Don't blame me if this isn't successful for you. So now we are going to use 340 degrees to bake the cake for 20 minutes. So now this is pretty much it, and you have to do this so that most of the big bubbles are out. And after the oven preheats and is ready to go, we will put this in the oven.
Don't go away. Like and subscribe, and we'll be right back.